Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a new Gmail account. As you can see in my Chrome, I have nothing connected whatsoever. What you can do is you can come click on Gmail right here to create one, or you can come here, click on your profile icon at the top right, and then just click on sign into Chrome. Now here I have Gmail not signed in, so I'll go create an account, and then you can choose either for your personal use or for your work or business. If you do that, you can go ahead and get a custom domain as well, but I'll create one for my personal use, okay? So we'll have a first and a last name. So here we go, William Hunter. Go ahead and press on next right here. Now we need to choose our birthday and gender. So I'll do January 11th. Let's do 2000. And gender is male. You can choose other genders as well if you want. I'll go ahead and select this. And now you need to do a username that is probably available. So let me go ahead and give an example. So go ahead and try this one. Let's see if this one is available. Yes, it was available. Now you go ahead and just create a password. Make sure it's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and repeat that password here, okay? There we go. Put it twice. Now go ahead and press on next. If you want, you can add a recovery email, basically where Google can contact you if there's an unusual activity in your account, if you get locked out. It's a good idea to have this. If you don't have it, any emails before, you can go ahead and skip. It's okay. I'll just go ahead and add this as my recovery email and come and click on next. And now you can review your account information. And if you're okay with this, go ahead and press on next. So I'll scroll down right now. You can go ahead and read everything if you would like, but mainly you just need to agree to the terms and conditions. And then you will be able to get your Google account after this. This is basically the last step. And as you can see, it is redirecting me to my Gmail, right? So let's just see. There we go. All right, perfect. Now I have my Gmail account. Really that easy and simple.